Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. This is Bhaskar Jogi. I'm having almost 23 years of experience in the IT industry. I was in Bangalore for 10 years and last 13 years in Hyderabad. And I worked for many MNCs like Unilever, Accenture, Microsoft, Patni Computers. So many companies where I worked HP in this, Hewlett Packard. So many companies where I worked, and I started my career as a C++ developer in the year 2000. So in Bangalore. And after that, in 2002 onwards, I'm completely with SQL and business intelligence and business analytics. Almost 21 plus years of experience into the same industry. I trained many people because I came from the real-time industry. I'm not a full-time faculty. I was working for the company and I was a developer, I was a team lead, right? I used to conduct a lot of trainings for the corporate sector as well. So past, 5, 6 years completely focusing on the online trainings. We don't have any classroom trainings as well, completely online trainings. And I'm sharing my industry knowledge and whatever be the real-time experience that I have putting here. So I'm passionate about teaching. That is the reason I'm here today. So I quit the job. I'm completely full-time trainer, consultant, and I'm an architect for the some of the companies. And I used to work for some government projects coming from Saudi, Dubai, and not the full time. So part-time activities I will be handling with them. Some creating the designing documents for them, creating designing, for the complex project, something like that. So that is about my, background. So I would have trained more than 50, 60,000 students all over the world. So I'm going to be starting from very, very basic level to advanced level. You can ask me any question anytime, but only thing is that you have to practice the classes on the daily basis. And daily recorded videos are going to be uploaded in the portal, and the validity is for 6 months by default. After that, if you want to get it, you have to pay some nominal fee, and you can extend the videos for some more time, and you can complete the course. But you can complete this course within 3 months. So data analytics you can complete within 3 months. As a fresher or as a non-IT background, you will be able to get into IT industry. To learn Power BI, you need not know nothing. So to learn Power BI, you need not know nothing. But to get into IT industry, not only Power BI, you need to learn some other courses as well. The list and everything I'm going to be sharing right away, so don't worry about it. So everybody has to fill this form, guys. Uh, I'm giving this form, guys. This is the form you need to fill, and in that email address, full name, course details, you have to mention Power BI, location, city or the country name, mobile number. Click on subscribe. This form I'm going to be sharing in the chat window. You have to fill the form, guys. Everybody has to fill the form so that you will be able to get the daily recorded videos. If you miss any class, you should not be worried, because the class will get recorded and it will be uploaded within 2 hours of time. And so that even though you miss the class, you can see the class anytime afterwards. If you don't have the time, because somebody working for the rotational shifts, so sir, 15 days I can attend your classes, next 15 days I will not be able to attend. What should I do? You should not be worried, because next 15 days classes you can just watch them in the portal. So that if you have any questions, you should be able to write me the question, and you can shoot me a mail. You can send me email, sir. BhaskarJogi@gmail.com is my mail ID, or goonline.bhaskargmail.com. You can write in all the clarification, and you can also mention your phone number. Sir, I wanted to talk to you regarding this question, so I will call you. I can explain the I can give you the clarifications as well. So no problem at all. So whenever you have a time, you can practice it. There's no problem at all. And minimum 3 months time it is going to be taking to complete the course. So don't tell me, sir, I need the course in within 1 month, or within 5 days, or within 10 days I need to complete. Means nobody can help you, because it is a heavy course. So I cannot teach you only basics and leave you. So definitely we're going to be having very, very basic level to advanced level. Assignments, case studies, project, CV preparation, interview question, everything I'm going to be including with the same cost. No extra cost will be taken from you, and you need not pay not even single rupee extra from anything else. Everything, even sample CVs are going to be provided at the at the time of end of the course, and everything. One free project is also included, case studies are included, assignments are included, everything is included, project explanation is included, interview questions are included, everything is included in this. Only thing is that you have to be regular, and Monday to Friday only will have the class 1 hour, every day we are going to be having. As of now, it will be at morning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. We don't have any other time. We don't have any other dates. Every month first, the new batch is going to be starting. The next batch is going to be on the September 1st only if you miss this batch. So we'll have only one batch per month, that will be every month first. If you miss this batch, the next batch will be from the next month. Clear? So we are going to be having a 3 demo classes today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Same meeting ID, same time we will have the demo classes. You can complete the class on these 3 days demos. After that, you will be able to continue. If you're happy with the training, you can make the payment on the fourth class, and the payment details and everything will be given by my team. So you can just ask those kind of questions to this team, but not to me. And if you have any technical questions, you will be able to ask me the fees related and how to make the payment. Do you have any installments? Yes, we have installments and everything. You can make the payment in EMIs. So all of them you can talk to these people. So this call center team you can talk. But if you have any technical questions or any other questions, you should be able to ask me any number of times. And if you want me to talk personally, means you send me your phone number in my email ID. Sir, my name is John. I wanted to talk to you. This is my WhatsApp number, or this is my phone number. I wanted to talk to you. You send me a mail with your phone number. I'll be able to call you back so that I can talk to you personally. Any graduate, any year passed out, easy to learn, no coding. Non-IT people are going to getting into IT industry. Nowadays, hard skill, placement assistance and everything, job support, everything we are going to be providing. And only thing is that a daily minimum 1 hour lecture you need to attend, and in the evening you have to practice minimum 2 to 3 hours daily without fail. And I'm going to be starting from very, very basic level to very, very advanced level, guys. You have to be regular to the class. If you miss any class, means you should not be worried, because we are going to be giving you all the videos. We'll be recording daily videos, we're going to be uploading, and Monday to Friday we'll have the class. Saturday, Sunday, no class at all. Clear? So, if you have any other escalations or this one, we have Go Online Operations at Mr. Madhav. You can just call him, and you can also WhatsApp him these numbers. And his mail ID is goonline.madhav@gmail.com. You should be able to attend, call these numbers. And if they don't get any response, you can also escalate the matter to me, or you can also escalate the matter to Mr. Madhav anytime. Please take the screenshot of these numbers, and you have to make this, use this numbers till you complete the course. And everybody has to fill the student details. This form I have given in the chat window. These details are mandatory to send you daily recorded videos. Okay. So your full name, address, everything you need to give. And if you're not able to fill the form, whatever be the reason, you can also send me your details to bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. Okay. Everybody has to fill the form so that daily recorded videos are going to be, posted to your email. Clear, guys? So that is what. Now, what are the other courses Go Online Trainings is offering? Power BI, Data Science, MSBI, AWS, DevOps, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, Python, Data Warehousing, SQL Server. Many more courses we are offering completely online training. We don't have any classroom trainings. Okay. We don't have any classroom trainings, but we are operating from Hyderabad, India. We don't have any classroom classes, purely online trainings. Okay, so who can learn the data analytics or Power BI course? Anyone can learn this course. Hard skill to get into IT industry, high salaries are paid, no coding is required. To learn Power BI, it is a drag and drop software. So only the common sense, basic mathematics, if you know 10th class mathematics, that is more than sufficient to understand this course. 45 hours to complete the Power BI course, data analytics course, daily 1 hour, Monday to Friday. Daily recorded videos are going to be posted. Real time topics are going to be covered and discussed. All the interview questions are going to be discussed and given. And sample CVs are provided. CV preparation guidance is given. Online lab support will be there. Interview questions are discussed and posted. Placement assistance and support across India can be given. And one project is also included for free. You need not, pay not even single rupee for all these things. All these are included in this course itself. You should not be paying not even single rupee. Whatever be the, extra, whatever be the amount that, will be asked for the course. So that course fee including everything, guys. When you compare with simplylearn.com or when you compare with, Unacademy videos, you simply, try to understand, data analytics from Manipal University. You compare their fees, their lectures, and our lectures, our teaching methodology. Definitely, you will appreciate our classes because many people who paid 3.5 lakh, many people who paid 70,000, 1 lakh for an academy for the same data analytics course, they are not able to understand anything. Again, they joined with very, very, cheap and inexpensive. So we are completely, very, very, nominal fee we're going to be taking from you. So when you compare with, those kind of fees, and the classes are very, very good and interesting. We're going to be starting from very, very basic level to advanced level. I had lot of people coming from Manipal University, Unacademy, simplylearn.com. So they have paid 1 lakh, 1.5, 5 lakh, but after that they don't get any proper guidance, no proper mentoring. And many people recommend, their mentors recommend you go and talk to Bhaskar Jogi classes and you will attend, you will learn better things than the Unacademy and all these classes. If you want to get the feedback, I have a lot of people who paid huge amount there and they're not able to continue in that. They have rejoined again in our institutions. Clear, guys? So that is what when you wanted to compare with other institutions and our institutions. Clear? So any graduate, any non-IT professional, any year passed outs, teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking, insurance professionals, any professional that you have, those people can come. You can say, sir, I have 10 years of gap. Sir, I'm working for the sales manager as a 15 years. Can I get into this? Why not? I'm a banker for last 12 years. Can I get into this? Yes, why not? I'm a housewife. I don't know anything about it. I'm, done my graduation BCom in 2009. After that, I did not work anywhere. Can I learn this course? Can I get into IT sector? No, why not? So MSc, MCom, MCA, BBA, MBA, BA, diploma, BTech, all branches, open university. You have educational gaps. Anybody can come into IT industry. So whether you have a PG or PhD, that doesn't work today. Whether you have a PG or PhD doesn't work today. Do you have skills or not? Only that matters. Clear? So if you have a PG or PhD, I had seen many people with the PG, PhD earning only 30, 40,000 rupees. And with that, 20 years of education, 50 years of education. But with the 3 to 6 months of a course, when you learn this kind of a skills, you will be able to learn minimum, minimum, 6 lakhs or 5 lakhs salary package as a fresher. If you keep a minimum 3 to 4 years of experience in India, you will be able to get a minimum 10 to 15 lakhs of salary package. I'll show you lot of offers which we have received last month in the month of July from the people from civil background, people from BA background, BCom background, MBA background, BBA background, all the people 2010 passed out, botany, zoology background, B pharmacy background, people who get, who got the opportunities, not only one, offer, they're able to crack multiple offers even the recession is going on. Clear? One guy got, a job offer. He was working, in some other company as a non-IT guy. That guy got 3 to 4 offer letters. One offer with 9 lakhs, one more offer with 16 lakhs, one more offer with 18 lakhs. The last company gave him a 23 lakhs offer. They said, if you wanted to come, we will wait for 1 more month. You resign and come. So why, even though recession is there, why people are giving him 23 lakhs? Because of the subject, because of the skills. Before that, he was 2012 passed out, mechanical background, BTech student. With the mechanical background, he was earning only 15-20,000 rupees. So after this training, he's able to get a 23 lakhs is the max, the salary he got it. So I will show you the email ID which he sent me, right? So all these things I'm not telling, it is not a story from me. I will show you all the proofs and everything, all the offer letters which we have received. No proxy, no backdoor enter, nothing is required. You don't waste money. And if you're thinking that I need a backdoor or I will go for the proxy, means you will be wasting the time, you will be wasting the money, you will be, with the broker's hand. So don't go into that. You need proper gurus and proper mentors to shape you, not the brokers. Brokers cannot shape you at all. I'm telling you, right now itself. Clear? So don't go into that kind of a dilemma. You have to learn the course within 3 months. Clear? So within the given time, you can easily tell. If you're a housewife, you're not able to get the time, so no problem. You will have the videos. You can take some more time and complete the practice and everything. I'll be able to support till you get the placements. But only thing is that you have to practice. If you have any concerns, that you need to tell me. So this is what is my concern. So I'm getting negative thinking only. I don't know whether I will get a job or not. Sometimes you will go into negative thinking, right? So don't go into that. If you need some kind of a, talking, or if you want me to talk, so I will be talking to you. But only thing is that you need to practice. Clear, guys? So I have to tell you that data analytics is very, very easy course. But if you learn only data analytics, only Power BI, will you be able to get that job? The answer is no. Clear? Only learn Power BI. Will you be getting the job? Many people would have told you. If you learn Power BI, you don't get a job because only one course you don't get the job. Data analytics is also called as a business intelligence. Data analytics is called as also business intelligence. I will tell you the brief introduction about data analytics. Data analytics means understanding the past. Okay, what is the meaning of data analytics or the business intelligence? Understanding the past is what is called as understanding the past is called as a data analytics or the data science. We have data analytics or the business intelligence. We have one more thing, that is data science. It is also called as a artificial intelligence today, right? People are also calling this as a machine learning today. So what is the data science? Means predict the future. Both of them are not same. Try to understand. Clear? So data analytics is called as a business intelligence, and that means understanding the past is called as a data analytics. So Power BI can tell you how to understand the past. For example, Amazon company wanted to know what was my sales in India last 5 years. So the company wanted to know this. What was my sales in India last 5 years? Or the company wanted to know what was the Apple iPhone sales in India last quarter, last month, last week, yesterday. So yesterday is a history, yesterday is the past. Clear? So if you wanted to concentrate on the historical data, or if you wanted to understand the past data, that is what is called as a data analytics, or that is what is called as a business intelligence. I'll be talking about more and more data analytics later, but as a layman, you need to understand this. What is a data science? Predict the future is called as a data science. The same question will be asked by Amazon like that. So, what will be or what would be my sales in India next 5 years. Now see the difference. Both of them are reports only, both of them are some information only, but one guy is asking what was my sales, and one guy is asking what will be my sales in India next 5 years. Clear? Will I get heart attack or not in next 5 years? I will give my data today. I'm having obesity, I'm having heart attack, sugar, BP, and everything. I will give you my current habits and everything. Can you predict and tell me whether will I die in next 5 years or not? Or will I get lot of other chronic diseases in next 5 years or not? I would like to predict by taking the today's data. So that is what is called a data science. Data science can predict the data. Clear? So all these things can be happening with the help of a data science. Much more opportunities you have in the IT industry, data analytics as well as the data science. But data analytics you can learn within 3 months. Okay, no problem, Krishna. You can listen to this, no problem. Okay, so data analytics you can complete within 3 months by learning so Power BI and lot of things. So you need to learn not only Power BI, SQL is mandatory, Power BI is mandatory, data warehousing is mandatory, and ETL is mandatory. All these things you are going to be learning in the data analytics, not only Power BI. Clear? So all of them you need to learn. So what is this? What is this? What is this? Everything I'll be talking about now. Don't worry about. This is a 3 months course. But data science, it is not a 3 months course. This is the 18 months course. Clear? You have to again know SQL. You have to learn Python. Again, you have to know some kind of a data warehousing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning. Lot of things you are going to be learning in this, and it is not at all easy. And data science, where you have mathematics, calculations, you need to have it, and you need to have R&D skills, research and development skills you need to have. You have to be good in maths. Clear? You will become a scientist. You will become a scientist. You cannot become a software engineer. Software engineer is something different than the data scientist. Scientist means you need to have the research and development. Not everybody can learn data science, I'm telling you. So many YouTubers are telling if you learn data science, much more opportunities in the IT industry. But remember, this is very complex, I'm telling you. It is very complex. Don't jump into data science. Always, if you want to get into data side, get into data analytics first. You can complete the course within 3 months. Daily 1 hour of lecture you need to attend, and evening you need to practice 2 to 3 hours. Within 3 months, you can complete data analytics. Much more jobs that you will be able to have in the data analytics, and it is very easy. It is a drag and drop software, and only some 20-30% of coding will be there as part of SQL. What is SQL? I will tell you. What is a Power BI, what is SQL, everything I'm going to be telling you later. But only coding you need to do only in this. Remaining tools are completely drag and drop software. Clear? So these are easy to learn, and very easily you can complete the course within 3 months of time. Even though data science is very hard skill, but it is not so easy. Mathematically, you have to be very good. You need to have research and development skills. Maths, you need to have very good skills, and you need to have research skills. You need to have, not the programming skills. So nobody will ask you, do you know this program, that program? So that is not needed in the data science. Data science and data analytics, both the courses are available in the market. But don't go into this because one YouTuber is saying, or simple Google is saying like that, or some one of my friend is telling me something like that, means you will be getting cheated. So don't go into data science. If you wanted to get into data science, first get into IT industry, work for IT industry for 5-10 years. Then you will come to know what is data science. The IT company will give you uh, the reimbursement for your data science course. You can join the best institution The fee reimbursement will be given by your IT company. You can learn from the IT company and you can jump into this. This definitely data science is not so easy. So don't jump into this kind of a courses by default, saying that my brother told me, my cousin told me, one of my closest friend told me, because they are not your proper mentors. Mentor is something different and your relatives are something different, right? So Ram Charan, his own father is there in the cinema industry, right? Chiranjeevi, 30 years of 40 years of industry, but he cannot give you he cannot give him the proper knowledge, right? So definitely a Rajamouli director is needed for Triple R movie. So even though you have relatives are available in your own industry, they are not the right guys to give you the success, right? You need to have proper guys, proper gurus. Clear? That is important. So that is what is very, very important, guys. You have to be understanding this always. Okay, na? So don't jump into that. Not everybody can give you proper mentoring. I'm telling you, many people, even though they have very good certifications, they're certified people. Unfortunately, IT industry or any industry does not need certified people. They need skilled people, right? If you have the skill, you will be able to get into IT industry. You will be able to get much more things very, very easily. Starting point is not so important. You could be a shoemaker today. You could be a chai maker today. But after 5 years, after 10 years, you should be a president of India. You should be a president of America. Doesn't matter, right? So many people think that I'm a housewife. I don't know anything. I don't know English communication. I am from the rural background. I am from this background, that background. Doesn't matter. I am also coming from small village. I studied my education in Telugu medium. So nothing to worry at all. Only thing is that you may take 1 year to complete the syllabus. I may take 6 months to complete the syllabus, or some other guy may take 3 months to complete the syllabus. It depends upon the person to person. It doesn't matter. So you have to learn the skills. Slow and steady wins the race. But remember, you need to have the proper mentor. Not only the, I have Udemy videos, I have that videos, I have this videos, I've learned the course. Only course will not give you success, I'm telling you. Many people will have stories, but not all stories will become successful in the movie, right? You need to have proper director also, not the story. Yeah, story will be there, but if you have a proper mentor, proper director, so 90% of the success already there with him. So just follow the instructions and you will be able to get the success in your life. So many people, many parents will tell me, sir, my son is intelligent, my daughter is intelligent. Guys, can you hear me? So there was an internet disconnect. Are you able to hear me? Guys, are you able to hear me? Okay, good, good. So, end of the day, not only the certifications, not only the any course, but also proper mentoring is needed. If you have the proper mentoring, anybody can get into anywhere. So age is just a number. Remember, you're at 40 years old, 38 years old, 30 years old, or you have 10 years of educational gap, nothing to worry. Everything I'll be teaching you from very very basic level to advanced level, so you should not be worried at all. Clear? So if you wanted to get into data analytics or data science, First, you need to understand the data. Remember this. Okay. You have to understand the data. So, if you tell me what is IT industry, do you know what is IT industry is doing? What it is doing, do you know any idea? IT industry stands for information technology, right? Information, how do you get the information? How IT industry is going to be working means IT industry is going to be working towards information. So how do you get the information? Information you will be able to get from the data, right? So IT industry is going to be taking the data and it is going to be processing the data. Remember what IT industry is going to be doing? IT industry is going to be doing only two things. It is going to be taking the data it is going to be storing, and the data it is going to be processing. Only these two things IT industry is going to be doing. Remember this point. So, what is automobile industry is going to do? It is going to be manufacturing cars, right? But what about IT industry? What it is doing? So many people are going to be saying, I am working for Microsoft, I am working for Google, I am working for IBM, I am working for this company, that company. But what are they doing? So any IT company is going to be taking the data from the due or from the social media or from the business. It is going to be storing the data. It is going to be processing the data. Nothing else IT industry is going to be doing. Clear? If you wanted to store the data, what are the technologies that you have to learn? There is a technology called SQL. Remember. So there is a technology called SQL, Structured Query Language. People will be calling as SQL or SQL, right? If you wanted to work with the IT industry is going to be only doing two activities. What is that? IT industry is going to be storing the data and processing the data. If you wanted to know how to store the data in IT industry, you have to know a concept or a technology called SQL that you have to learn how the process is going to be happening in the IT industry. This is where we have a language. What language? C, C++, Java, .NET, all the languages are going to be there to process your data. Android is also one more language, right? So, IT industry is going to be dealing only two things. One is it is going to be storing the data, it is going to be processing the data. If you wanted to store the data, you have to know SQL or SQL. If you wanted to process the data, process means I wanted to know what is the total sales. Total means processing. Some operation you have to perform on the data. What is the average sales? Average is also one more processing technique. So what is the minimum sales? What is the maximum sales? So all of them called as processing techniques. Clear? I have some data. The data is going to be stored in the SQL in the IT industry. And if you wanted to process the data, you have to compulsory learn a language called C, C++, Java, .NET, Android, Angular, JS, blah, blah, blah. Clear? So you need to remember, if you wanted to come into IT industry, first of all, you need to know how to store data. First of all, you need to know how to store data. For the storing data, you have to learn a concept called SQL. It is also called as a database management system. It is also called as relational database management system concept. Okay. So if you wanted to get into IT industry, sir, I have to learn a .NET. Sir, I have to learn a Java. Sir, I have to learn this course. I have to learn this course. Hey, 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 hey. Before learning the course, you learn SQL. You learn RDBMS or relational database. It is going to be storing the data and retrieving the data. So what is the purpose of RDBMS? RDBMS or database or SQL purpose is I wanted to store the data. I wanted to retrieve the data whenever I need it. So RDBMS is a bigger notebook. In the notebook, we are going to be storing the data manually, right? So RDBMS or SQL is also one more big ledger, one more big, you can say account book, or you can say one more piece of software where we can store large amount of data. Now, I have a large amount of gold. Where will I store? I will be able to store the gold in the gold bank. I have a large amount of blood. Where will I store the blood? Blood bank. I have a large amount of data. Where will I store the data? Data bank. Data bank are called as a database. Clear? Database means data bank. Data bank is going to be storing a large amount of companies' data. Clear? You have a lot of blood banks are available. Chiranjeevi Blood Bank, Care Hospital Blood Bank, Apollo Hospital Blood Bank. Like that, we have a lot of gold banks are available. Like that, we have lot of data banks are available, lot of SQL softwares are available. The popular software is Oracle is a data bank database where we can store large amount of data in a IT industry. And Microsoft is having one more software called SQL Server. It is from the Microsoft company. Oracle from the Oracle company. You have Apollo Blood Bank, Care Hospital Blood Bank, like that. Different companies will have different blood banks. DB2, Database 2000. It is from IBM company. Now, all these are popular databases where you will be able to store lot of data of the company. For example, where is Amazon data getting stored? Either in Oracle or in SQL Server or in DB2 or in Netezza. So all these are called different databases. Database means SQL softwares or database management system or relational database management system concepts are the tools. Okay, what is Oracle? Oracle just like a go down where you can store large amount of data. SQL Server is one more go down, one more storeroom. DB2 is one more company's storeroom or one more go down. That is what you got to understand. So, lot of companies are available in the IT industry. They are there to store the company's data. What about ICICI Bank data? Where is State Bank of India data? Where is Amazon's company's data? Where is Yatra company's data? Where is Netflix data? Where is the Flipkart data? Where is Walmart data? Where is PhonePe data? Where is Google Pay data? Where is Google data? Where is Microsoft data? All the data is going to be stored either in Oracle or in SQL Server from Microsoft, DB2, Netezza. Like that, we have a lot of RDBMS software are available. So we have MySQL from MySQL company. And we have PostgreSQL. This is one more company software. Clear? So we have Teradata is one more company. A lot of companies are going to give you SQL softwares or RDBMS softwares. So one of the software that you can use, you will be able to store the company's data. Clear? When you store the data, tomorrow you are going to be processing the data. Clear? For the processing purpose, we are going to be using a language. You may use C or you may use C++ or you may use Java or you may use .NET or you may use Angular JS. Anything you will be able to use blah blah blah. Or even Power BI also is going to be processing your data. Even business tools also going to be processing the data. If you wanted to learn Power BI, what is that you should know? Compulsorily, you have to know SQL. Clear? Only if you learn Power BI or if you learn Java.NET, we are not going to be learning all these things. But if you wanted to process the data, first you should know how to store the data, how to, uh, uh, retrieve the data. So if you wanted to complete a data analytics course means What all you need to learn? What all you need to learn? Clear? So not only Power BI, compulsorily you have to learn SQL, then you have to learn Power BI. Remember. Clear? So SQL, I'm going to be teaching Power BI is from Microsoft. So which SQL we are going to be learning? Even Oracle is also called as a SQL. SQL Server is called as a SQL. Everything is a SQL. All of them are called SQL or all of them are called RDBMSs. Clear? So we are going to be learning Microsoft SQL Server. We are going to be learning. Remember, SQL means we are going to be learning SQL Server. So these are 45 days classes, but unfortunately we don't have no live classes. But how do you learn this? You need to buy the videos from us. Okay, very basic videos to advanced videos I have created. These videos are available in two languages. One is called English videos are available. Telugu videos also available. You can buy any video, even though the explanation is there in Telugu, but complete notes is there in English only. Okay. So compulsorily you have to learn SQL Server without SQL Server, because without SQL knowledge, IT industry itself is not going to work. You have to know one thing. If you know Oracle, that you need not learn this. Or if you know Sybase or Teradata, any SQL, all of them are called SQL softwares or all of them are called RDBMS softwares. If you know this, and compulsorily you can learn this. Otherwise, if you don't know anything, means you need to start learning this. So daily you need to watch one video. So 45 days means 45 hours videos you will be able to get it, right? So you need to make the payment for this. So compulsorily you have to start watching daily one video in the evening. So morning you will be able to attend Power BI classes, and this will be also for 45 hours. Okay, these are live classes and you will be able to get the daily videos also. So you will be able to get, if you don't understand this again, these videos are available in Telugu and English. You may attend Power BI live English classes, but you can ask my team for the Power BI Telugu recorded videos. Either English or Telugu, one set of videos will be given, not both. Clear? Only one set will be there. You can use it. So you can understand the Telugu easily. So the batch will be there in English only. But if you need the videos already recorded and kept ready for you, so you have to join SQL Server and Power BI this month. So this month, August and September, we are going to be only learning these two courses, nothing else. Only Power BI you can learn. There is no problem, because to learn Power BI, you need not know anything. But to get into IT industry, to crack the interviews, you have to know SQL Server very well, because 60 to 70% of the interview questions are going to be asked in the SQL, and remaining 40% are going to be coming from this background. Clear? So you have to make the payment for this, for the videos, and daily one video you need to watch. And if you have any doubt, in next day you will be joining Power BI live class, right? So before Power BI class starts, I will give you some time to ask the SQL questions. You can ask in the live class, or you can also write me email, sir, this is the question I have it, and this is what is my phone number, can you just call me and explain me what is this? Clear? So either you can interact daily on the Power BI class, you can ask Power BI questions or SQL questions, and you can also write me mail. And if you have any lab oriented questions and everything, I will be connecting one to one. I will be connecting one to one. I will be sitting with you while you're doing the lab, so that I can give you the issues if you're getting something. You should not be worried at all. So only this timing to attend the live class. But you will be practicing in the evening. You got some issue, you can mail me that issue. If I have a time, I can connect immediately. If I don't have a time, I'll call you we'll fix one time, you and me, and we will connect with the meeting ID. I will be able to see your screen and you can tell me what is the issue in the phone so that I can resolve it. Like that, the classes are going to be there. You should not be worried at all. Okay, compulsorily you have to learn. Only if you learn Power BI, there is no useless. But after this, you should also learn one more concept in the month of October. So I'm talking about 3 months, right? So August and September is only 2 months. Now 3 months, one more month, you have one more course that you have to learn, what is called SSIS. So this will be again 25 hours classes. Either you can join live classes or you can buy videos and practice. Clear? So once you complete August, September and October, so what is the ETL? What is SSIS? What is Power BI? What is SQL Server? Everything I'm going to be telling you in tomorrow and after tomorrow. We have two more demos to complete. In that, I'm going to be talking about completely technical things. Okay, so we'll be completing. This is the complete syllabus. You may ask me, sir, if I learn only Power BI, can't I get a job? The answer is no. You will not get a job. Why? You go to naukri.com and verify. You go to naukri.com and verify. You will come to know the issues. So let me go to naukri.com. So this is the job portal in India, right? Let me just open this. So I wanted to get into Power BI jobs. So what do? You go to naukri.com, you say Power BI, right? You may say some experience, 1 year, 2 years, 3, 4 years. So you don't put anything. Click simply search. Simply search. How many jobs are available in India? We have 22,000 jobs are available. Now, even though recession is going on, how many jobs are available in India? 22,000 jobs are available. Now, tell me, what are they asking? They are saying Power BI developer. What are they asking? SSIS. SQL, data analysis. Now, if you learn only Power BI, if you don't know SSIS, say SSRS means Power BI only. If you don't know SQL, can you get a job? You will not be able to get a job. So you come. So when is that posted? It is 6 days ago. You come down again, Power BI application developer, SSIS, SQL. You come down, DAX, Power BI. So they will ask you a lot of things to learn Power BI, SQL Server, right? So they will ask you Power BI, DAX, Power BI, Query, BI. Query means SQL. Clear? So SSIS, SQL, Power BI, 2 to 4 years of experience. 7 days ago it got posted, Accenture company, right? So you can go to Anusha, no problem. You can see the demo. Just it is almost done. So you will be able to see not only Power BI, people will ask you a lot of other things, a lot of things, 4 to 6 years, 2 to 4 years, like that. You will be able to get a lot of jobs. You will be able to apply the jobs and get into IT sector. So only Power BI cannot give you job opportunity. Compulsorily, you have to learn all these things. In the month of October, I will tell you, I will give you CV preparation, I will give you quizzes, assignments, and interview questions. One project will be given for free, and project explanation will be included. Everything will be included at extra, no cost. Clear? So all of them will be done in the month of October. At the month of October, you should be able to, apply for the jobs and everything. So these 3 months you have to with me, and daily 1 hour class will be there Monday to Friday. Tomorrow I'll be talking about all these things. Okay, so same timing, uh, same meeting ID. We are going to be connecting tomorrow. We're going to be talking about again what is all these things we'll be talking about one by one. So as of now, I spoken about what is data analytics, what is data science. Again, I'll be talking about a lot of other things in tomorrow's class, and don't miss the class tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So today I have completed demo part number 1. Tomorrow we'll have more technical things, and day after tomorrow also we'll complete the last demo. Afterwards, we will be able to, I will give you the software. I'll show you how to install the software. What are the laptop configurations that you need to have? So everything I'll be talking about in tomorrow's class. And the 3 classes are free. Anybody can attend. If you wanted to continue, you can continue on the fourth day itself. You can make the payment. We have EMI installments are available. Payment details and everything will be given after the third demo. So if you wanted to talk to them, you can call these numbers after 10 o'clock any day. Or if you want me to talk to you personally, you can send me your phone number to my mail IDs. I will call you guys. Tomorrow, same time with the same meeting ID, I'll be connecting. Nachinda, did you like this demo? The basics only I have explained. And tomorrow, I'll be talking about technical, in-depth of technical things. We'll be talking in tomorrow's class. Okay. Thank you guys.